Welcome! My name is Melissa Scully, and I'm a member of the A Team. Well, that is the A Team of HRE 533, a course that focuses on the management of e-learning programs. Today's presentation will serve as an overview of one component of the A Team's research proposal on the topic of content and system design. We chose to specifically focus on if open source, a technology where the source code is open, available to the public, and free to be modified, is a viable alternative for e-learning content management systems compared with commercial options, which can be more expensive and structured. My detailed research for this topic focuses on the level of flexibility in changing or updating interactive content and resources in CMSs. Other areas of research of the A Team include financial pros and cons, different levels of management of each system, level of technical support required for each system, and specialized equipment or resources needed of each system. I encourage you to visit the other A Team presentations to learn more. Let's begin with learning what is a CMS. According to our research, content management systems are used to publish and edit content for use on the web, component, and enterprise use. CMSs in learning systems are focused on providing a platform for e-learning, knowledge management, and online education. Why is it important? As an e-learning program manager, it is important to understand and fully research any type of technology utilized in the program. A manager must consider the economic impact of technology. Many open source software are available for little to no cost, but that doesn't mean it's free. A manager needs to consider how many resources, internal or external, are needed to utilize the software, and that may end up being more costly than what is used with commercial software. In his book, Managing E-Learning, Design, Delivery, Implementation, and Evaluation, Badrul Khan explains that human involvement, along with the right tools and systems, has the potential for successful e-learning processes. Therefore, we must consider both human involvement and the technology when we look at open source CMSs. My research has shown that understanding the flexibility and ease of updating content in open source CMSs is an important factor for managers to consider. Among even the most popular content management systems, there are varied levels of usability. Although most boast some ease of use or to be user-friendly, it does depend on the developer's experience level. When deciding to go with an open source option, managers must realize that they will not be able to rely on the professional support system offered by commercial options. You are reliant on the open source community of the software. Many of the more popular open source CMSs have robust communities with forums, tutorials, and manuals. During my research, I reviewed two well-known open source e-learning CMSs used by businesses and institutions, eFront and Moodle. I found eFront made it easy to search for help information. I found exactly what I needed quickly. Adding and modifying content was simple and quick using a what you see is what you get HTML editor. eFront allows users to upload multimedia as course content, as well as import SCORM content. The Apply All feature allows you to apply a feature like navigation buttons to all your course content. Moodle offered many similar user-friendly features, such as media uploads. However, I found it more difficult to search the forums and find information I needed. Other Moodle users on the forum boards echoed the same frustration. Moodle uses the same what you see is what you get HTML editor. Another easy to use feature of Moodle is updating content with the ability to drag and drop content from your PC directly to Moodle. Reviews of the system indicated that Moodle is better for large-scale initiatives rather than small projects. In conclusion, the flexibility of updating content on an open source CMS really depends on the resources of an e-learning program. A program with more resources may be more able to utilize a more complicated CMS. Thank you.